Good morning, madam. I am Tunishwari Periyasamy. My matric number is A282043. I am from SAL, and my internship company is Recron Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad, Nilai branch. Recron Malaysia is one of the leading integrated polyester and textile company. Its manufacturing facility in Nilai and Melaka, with the headquarters at KL, with a seamless supply chain spanning from polymers and PET chip to fiber, yarn and fabric. Recron Malaysia delivers world-class quality without interpretation. Its expensive textile facility encompass knitting, weaving, dyeing and finishing process ensure top-notch quality throughout. Recron Malaysia is a part of Reliance Group with the valuation of 19 million. It also a Fortune Global company with 500 corporation. Its manufacturing plant is strategically located at Nilai, Negeri Sembilan. Nilai, situated with a Greater Klang Valley region, offer a prime location with excellent connectivity to the major transportation network including highway, port and airports. Moreover, the proximity to major urban center and ports help in reducing transportation costs and time, thereby enhancing supply chain effectively. While Reliance Industry Limited, founded by visionary entrepreneur Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani or Mukesh Ambani, established as a Indian largest private sector enterprise. It embodies a vision of diversity, growth, and innovation. Moreover, its flagship entity Reliance Industry Limited hold a prestigious title of being a Fortune Global 500 company in its Indian foremost private sector enterprise. Reliance Industry Limited is a leader in multiple sectors including oil and gas, petrochemical, textile and retailing with renovate for a global leadership in polyester yarn and fiber production. It holds a significant presence in major prochemical product and it set in industry's benchmark of the quality and innovation. Recron Malaysia is a polyester and textile manufacturing company, especially fiber, yarn, fabric, and PET. The form of this business is sole proprietorship, and Recron Malaysia have hierarchical management structure. This factory address located at Nilai with the correspondent address at KL. The product was in yarn, PSF, POY, DTY, FDY, and SDY. As for fabric, knitting fabric and woven fabric with 100% polyester gray and finished. For the PET, they are polyester PET and polyester chip. It also export the product to multiple countries, which is USA, Canada, Latin America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, AEC, and Far East. In Recron, they call department as section. The section or department that include in Recron was personnel as HR, administration, purchasing, transportation, material control, and IT. For the inquiry, you can see the email and website address at the slide. There are two visions in Recron Malaysia. First one is Recron Malaysia strive to be a global leader in the polyester and textile market, focusing on quality, innovation, and sustainability. The second one is Recron Malaysia aim to provide world-class product that meet the evolving need of customer worldwide. While the mission of Recron Malaysia is to deliver high-quality polyester product and textile throughout advanced technology and innovative process, and committed to enhancing customers' satisfaction and ensure sustainability practice in manufacturing process. Objective of this industry was Recron Malaysia continuously enhance product quality to meet global standard and customer expectation. Secondly, Recron Malaysia developed a new and improved product throughout ongoing research and technological advancement. Next, Recron Malaysia implement eco-friendly practice in manufacturing to minimize environmental impact. Furthermore, Recron Malaysia maintain a customer-centered approach by understanding and fulfill market need efficiently. And final one is Recron Malaysia grow their market presence globally, especially in key regions. As for the company environment, Recron Malaysia foster a vibrant and collaborative workplace that empathize innovation, quality, and sustainability. Recron foster a collaborative innovation focused environment to encourage employees' contribution and incentive. It also provide comprehensive training and development program. Secondly, Recron promotes strong teamwork and open communication for the new or intern student. It committed to sustainability throughout environmental friendly practice and product process. It also invests in advanced technology and continuous improvement for operational effectively. As for the significance, Recron contribute to industry economic growth and set environmental responsibility standard to ensure global market competitiveness throughout quality and continuous improvement. It also focuses on employees' development and well-being, characterized by mutual respect, continued learning, and shared improvement and environmental responsibility. As for the role of every department, personnel need to ensure 60% of monthly disciplinary case completed by PIC within 15 calendar days after receiving to personal section, while administration need to have ensure 100% per month that the document from KL and Melaka to be clear within 2 working days. Moreover, purchasing section have to ensure 97% of the purchase order is released within 5 working days from the purchasing order date, which is value is not greater than 5,000. For the transportation, need to ensure no invoice per month of export shipment shut down due to the section's personal carelessness. For the material control section, warehouse need to reduce good damage below 2 per case per month. Finally, for the IT, they need to ensure 100% of DMS call report for IT support to be respond within 24 hours during working days. On the other hand, the first figure shows the organizational structure of material control, which is the department I work as the intern for officer position. This flow started as a manager or department manager. There are 2 units in this as a store department and warehouse department. I also work at the warehouse department. After that, manager, the section chief is the higher position person, that they followed by officers, their clerks, and production workers. For the scope of exposure to students, there are 4 things in it. The first one is understanding of supply chain in real world setting. As an intern, I gained a very good experience in understanding supply chain management by observing and participating in entire process from procurement to delivery in Recron, Malaysia. The company exposed to real-world challenges and strategic involved in logistic inventory management and supply relationship. This exposure did help me to grasp how theoretical concepts are applied in practical setting, preparing me for a career in supply chain management. The second one is understanding how material control department work in a company. I gained first-hand experience in the operation of material control department by assisting with the coordination and management of material control within the company. I learned about GIN, inventory tracking, procurement process, and maintaining optimal stock level to ensure smooth production workflow. This expose will provide me a comprehensive understanding of how material control impact overall company effectively. Other than that, understanding of product knowledge is the thing I learned in this company, which is develop a deep understanding of product knowledge by learning about the type of features, benefit, and application for the company's product. This expo did me to enable me to effectively communicate product value to client and contribute to the production improvement. Finally, understanding how to export product in container. I learned the integration of exporting product in containers, including documentation, regulation, complement, and logistic condition. I gained a better experience with the process involved in loading and securing shipment of international transportation. This expo helped me to gain more practical skill in managing export operation. As for the contribution to the company, I learn and prepare how to do GIN or goods issue notice for the drivers for export and interplant, which is sending our output to Melaka plant for further transportation or process. Other than that, I also ensure to key in interplant details in SAP software in Nilai plant, which is sending a production output to other production plant in Nilai factory. Furthermore, I support in daily operations like doing status of dispatch report and finishing good report daily. Status of dispatch report help us to track how many container we export to other country, while finishing good report help us to track our inventory in warehouse. I also always inspect inventory and stock and warehouse system which help us to check and reconfirm the grade and condition of our product. Finally, I prepare telefax and details of packing list for the headquarters in KL. It provides them more information about our export items. For the suggestion for improvement, Recron need to upgrade the office equipment like gene printer. Sometimes the gene stuck in the printer or tear when we take the gene from the printer. It took some time, so it frustrates some drivers which they wait for sign the gene. So as a new intern or employee, it also scared me to talk to them, but I brave myself to solve and talk to them. Recron need to enhance Wi-Fi coverage because sometimes, same as before, it took some time to do the report or gene because of unstable Wi-Fi. Why is this problem? Is because all our software we use in Recron is use internet for function. Moreover, they need to add more warehouse equipment like forklift because loading time will increase when the warehouse worker not have enough forklift. Finally, Recron need to improve in recruitment and allowances. We got shortage of production workers in Nilai. So as before, increasing in loading time in warehouse will affect us to the company like as he say after they load the item only we can do the gene. It take too much time means the driver can frustrate. I have some challenges of task execution in Recron. First one is lack of self-esteem. At first, I was afraid to talk to my higher officials, but my supervisor and my colleague helped me to overcome it. Moreover, unstable internet connection, lack of office equipment like gene printer, lack of warehouse equipment like forklift, also is a challenges that increase the time of loading and increase the time of we do the gene, so the drivers eventually get frustrated about this thing and anger at us. Moreover, lack of modern software is a big challenge for me there because it took more time to learn about it even though we have the system. Sometimes it took more time to prepare a container for loading because it took some time to key in the details before the loading in software. For the added value in student knowledge, I say that this intern experience give me many learning. First one is improve my communication skill with others in working. Other than that, I got practical application of theoretical knowledge and industry specific knowledge about textile manufacturing industry. Third one is teamwork and collaboration. This company give me the chance to work together with other employees in the office and warehouse. Finally, it teach me problem solving ability too. Like I can solve problem in warehouse like lost pallet or items as I can track them in system and I can find out what is the problem. Thank you so much for listening my presentation.